I received the Dior Platinum holiday gift in such an unexpected way. Shout out to Nisa Buttercup for gifting me this. Can't wait to unbox it. So let's check it out. Welcome back. If you're new here, it's Kristen, your Artsy Momsy, and in this channel, I help you maximize your Dior beauty shopping experience. So if you like that, please like this video and subscribe so that you won't miss any of the great Dior deals and promo codes. And with that, let's unbox this. But first, I want to appreciate the cuteness in this box. Look at that. Warning, opening this package will cause extreme happiness. I mean, I haven't opened it yet and I'm already happy. And look at this. K for Christine. That's very thoughtful. And happy mail. If you are not following Nisa Buttercup yet, make sure to follow her. I will link her channel in the first comment below and also in the description. She is also a Dior beauty lover and she also makes some amazing crafts. So definitely follow her if you like Dior and being artsy craftsy. So here it is. OMG, wow. Look at that. My kids like haiku. I will definitely share this with them. So we get one each and nothing for my husband. Okay. So first, I have a pink box right here. Let me unbox this first. Oh my gosh, look at the sticker. Super cute. Nisa, thank you. You are so thoughtful. Sorry, cat, I have to cut you. There it is. Oh, wow. Have lots more stickers here. I'll definitely share with my daughter. She loves rainbow stuff like this. And a lolly. Super cute. And look at this sticker. Like a stamp. Like a wax stamp. Very pretty. Ooh, wow. Thank you, Nisa, for sending me these brushes. I'm actually thinking of buying some new brushes. So you read my mind and gave me exactly what I needed. And look at these little cutesy things right here. OMG. What? This is super nice. Oh my gosh, let me show you. I have a perfect place for this keychain. Oh my gosh. That is super nice. OMG. That is beautiful. Nisa, you are so sweet. Thank you so much. And I have tiny little gifts here. Pair of earring. And a necklace. Oh my gosh, look at this. It's a balloon pop. Oh, cute. Nisa, thank you for all those gifts that you sent me. I'm definitely gonna enjoy each one of them. And definitely sharing them with my kids. And here it is. Oh my gosh, look at that. I actually thought this is the Dior box. It matched perfectly. Look at that. OMG. Thank you for taking the time to pack this and gift wrap it for me. Hope it's okay for you if I rip this, because I think it's just make it more exciting. Here we go, guys. So I commented to her video that I was so bummed that I am not even able to get to my platinum status because of the new changes in the Dior loyalty program. So I think I still need to spend almost $700 just to get to platinum. So I'm stuck in gold right now. And she is very kind to share one of her holiday platinum gifts to me. And I think I need to open it this way. Yes. So here's what we got. A mini candle and a hand wash. OMG, love it. Super cute. I know a lot of you who received this were very disappointed because you were expecting to receive the snow globe. But for me, who didn't even get a chance to reach my platinum status. This is such a wonderful gift. Thank you, Nisa. You are super sweet. Such a cute combo right here. So that's all I got for you today. If you haven't seen my recent video about my recent Dior beauty unboxing, I will link it in the comments below and also in the description so you could watch that. And also I shared 7 promo codes with minimum purchase of $150. So if you haven't seen that, make sure to check them out because some of those promo codes does not expire. And most of them are still available for you to use right now. All right, thank you for joining me again for another Dior Beauty unboxing, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye.